Beloved people and voters of Lira City, allow me appreciate you for your endless love for your candidate, Aceng Patricia Ogwang. I am one of those who is in the race vying for the position of Woman Member of Parliament for Lira City. However, the road is sticky, bumpy, humpy, but we are getting there. We have had issues within Lira City. We are sorry for bringing it out as a weakness within the city. But in the elections that we had at the village level, everything didn't end well. As it is, the issues of deleting, forceful deletion of names from the register will eventually affect us tomorrow. I lodged in a complaint with a petition written to the party chair and then a separate petition to the Electoral Commission, that is to Tanga Odoi, received as you see it. And this is a copy of the expression of interest and nomination for party structure under NRM, where I appeared with my colleague, Opio Emmanuel, contesting for Youth League General Secretary. But however, these issues reached the party chair, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and allow me thank you for your steadfast love for the party. You are a father and a true father. A father who accommodates everyone, even those who are lying within the party. You are indeed a father. On the 27th, I was part of the delegation that was called to the State House to answer to the allegations that are within the party, the infights that are between the two ministers, Honorable Betty Amongi and Honorable Dr. Aceng Ruth. The vice that is eating the party is the vice of hatred for Lango. And if this doesn't come to an end, and then we are very sure that the party is going to lose direction. The first thing I told His Excellency was majorly the issue within the party. Why are people being blocked away? And I'm not the only candidate, I believe. Because of self-interest, why are people being blocked away from participating? It is a democratic right for every citizen of the country to contest so long as you are eligible. And an instruction was given, a decree from His Excellency, that this has to normalize. Those that were deleted, personally being involved, my name has to be reinstated back to the party. However, the whole of last week, I have been roaming within the Secretariat, Plot 10 and Plot 13, to see how far the decree has gone. But to my dismay and to the surprise of the candidate who is speaking before you today, this was not implemented. I was sat down in a meeting, and the only thing they told me, "Ain't you Aceng Patricia Ogwang?" I said, yes. When I reached there, they knew me. So when I reached there and gave them my side of the story, all they could tell me, change goalpost, go to Lira City West Division, contest with the men, go and hold the flag. I told them that is not my goalpost. And how betraying it is to the people of Lira City who have entrusted me to lead them. So I told them, no, I cannot betray you, my voters who are listening to me and watching me this day. So for that reason, I have come to inform the mass and the general public that I now come to stand as an independent candidate, seeking for votes. The support that you had for me should not be withdrawn. Give me that support. Take me there. Let us fight together for the equality of the people in Lira City. I thank you.
How do you feel now that even the party has failed to honor the instruction of the party chairman himself?
The party chair has no issues. I still want to tell the people who are watching me today. The party chair is a father, is too accommodating. However, the people who are handling the offices are misusing the office. The thing of Kintu Kidogo is messing up the people of Uganda. That if you stand for me, if you fight for me, there is a brown envelope that is going to pass under the table. So I have no issues within the party. I love the party because of His Excellence. I am still within the party. But for this decision, a rational decision, an independent decision that I've come up with, doesn't make me an enemy of the party. I still stand for His Excellency. But on this, I am independent. And let me also tell the people that the issues within the party that sponsoring or bringing to light a candidate to stand and hold the flag doesn't mean that it is an assurance for you. We are still in the race, and all this shall be declared at the end of the day. Who wins the election, not who holds the flag or the party flag.
Being a person who was very determined to hold the flag, are you not demoralized?
No, I am not demoralized because I have been in consultation meetings within Lira City. I have moved in different wards, and I am very hopeful. I want to tell the opponents who are standing with me that I am very hopeful that even without holding that flag, it doesn't demoralize me. I am not in any way brought down. I am not bogged down. My head is still high, looking at the end of the journey. And the end of the journey is 2026, come February.
With all this, do you still love NRM?
Yes, NRM is my party, and that is why I am in yellow. NRM is my party. Let the people know that even in the same household, there are still fights. I am still for NRM.
Okay.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.